What that jab at? What the jab at?
35 years old, I was 17 and 0 with 10 knockouts before they started fucking with me.
What was you, 17 and 0?
I was 17 and 0 with 10 knockouts before they started fucking with me.
Who was the last person you knocked out?
It was Ruben Sierra.
Ruben?
Yeah, he's from Honduras.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, his record was 2 and 15.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, 2 and 15.
He had lost 15 fights?
Yeah, but they was fucking with him too. You know.
So what you do?
Huh?
What you do there?
Well, you know, it was a 18 round knockout.
18?
We went 18 rounds. You know, they do that down there in Honduras.
A guy that had lost his previous 15 fights.
Yeah, he put me down in the second, third, and fourth round.
You went down?
I went down. I didn't take a knee one time. I just voluntarily went down. Took a knee. The other 2 times, I just woke up on 8. Got up real quick.
You woke up?
I woke up and the referee said 8. And I jumped up real quick.
So you ain't hit none other number?
I ain't hit that number.
As far as you know, he could have just said 8.
Well, when I got back to the corner, they said I was in the front row and had ate somebody popcorn. But you know, sometimes that happened in a fight.
That's just the way it goes down.
Sometimes it happened in a fight. But when I got up off that on 18th round, I got off that stool.
Yeah.
I got off that stool. I said, boy, you gonna pay for that.
Yeah.
That's when he had to take out his asthma medicine. They got his asthma medicine.
Yeah.
Back in the locker room. So he had to go get the asthma medicine. He couldn't get back into the ring by the count of 10. They awarded me the knockout.
Wait, so you didn't really knock him out?
Well, you know, technically speaking, you know, I better stop before I, get winded. But yeah, so he had his asthma medicine. Got it back in the locker room. He thought he could run back there and get back in the ring for 10 seconds. He couldn't make it.
He couldn't make it.
That's his fault. That's his fault, you know.
You lose.
17-0. That was my 10th knockout. Then they started messing with me.
After that.
You know what I'm saying? I thought I was gonna fight for the championship.
You was number 1 contender at that point.
I felt like I was. 17-0. But what had happened, what was going on was a lot of political things.
Yeah.
And you know, my trainer was on that cocaine.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, he tried to do me. I did a couple lines with him.
Wait a minute, with the trainer?
Yeah, but I thought it was part of training. I said, man, are you sure this gonna help my endurance? He said, yeah, man, it's gonna keep you up for 4 or 5 days.
Oh, that's all you need.
I did about 8 lines. You know, I ain't never revisited that. He started giving me these little white rocks. They looked like little pieces of salt.
Crack?
That what it is? He started giving me that, boy. I ain't go sleep. One time I stayed up for a whole 30 days. I ain't seen no sleep.
You was working out the whole time though?
The whole time I keep in shape. My body's like a steel trap.
Let me see that move.
You know what I'm saying? What? See what they tell you? They tell you get jab, left hand, right hook. That's all I need. Jab, left hand, right hook. Cause I'm a southpaw.
Don't that make you look predictable though?
Well, you know, it's the basis of boxing. You got to go jab, left hand, right hook.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Any man shall fall. You hit him with that.
What about uppercut or something like that?
Well, that's a defensive move. A lot of people say throw that uppercut, but it leave you open.
Now we hear about your secret move. Can you show us that?
Well, boy, let me look. Hold up. Let me look around. Okay, I might show you that secret move. When you're in close, see, I knock a lot of my people out in close. When you're in close, what you do is bite them on the neck.
Wait a minute.
Bite them on the neck when you're in close. Yeah, grab that neck, then you hit him with the left hook.
Wait a minute. So you bite them on the neck?
You get in close. You get in close where the referee can't see. You put your glove up real high like that. Laying on, hit the right on that vein, because they be tired. That vein will be throbbing right here. Hit that juggler. You gonna grab that juggler, hit him with the left hook.
All right, I don't think we can take no more.
All right, well, you know, don't tell nobody.